Hey everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and thank you so much for joining me on my art channel. Today we are going to be doing something really fun using rainbow colors during Pride Month. I'm doing a smaller version because I'm going to make a big version later, and I learned lots from this. So let's get started. I can't wait to show you the results of this one. Hey everyone, all right, we are doing a tester, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to do a rainbow across here, and then using this brush I'd like to kind of go across like this, okay? And I really want to be careful, and I want to learn from this one because I have a big canvas that I'm going to do next that I really want to make sure that I do it correctly. So let's get started and creating this rainbow. I would say it's kind of like either heartbeat or a radio wave, but not this way, more up and down, okay? All right, so let's get started. Well, here are the colors. Most of them are Deco Art. They're all metallics. I've got some Artist Loft and Arteza in there, and I think this is going to be a really pretty design. I can't wait to show you the big one, but let's get started with this little one. All right, let's go ahead. Put one dot there, one dot here, it's a little easier with the tube. And instead of keeping the lid on, I unscrew the lid. It just, that way you don't have anything dry that gets into your paint. Just a tad is all. And you kind of see I made these a little longer, so. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to just take my brush and go as gently as I can across each of the color to try to blend the best I can. I should have, once I got here, I should have stopped, because you see that? Get that out of there. Get this out of there too. I think once I blend it, I should take it out, wipe the brush off, and then start again. So let's try that with the blue and the purple here. I know I'm being quiet, but I'm trying to concentrate. So now I'm thinking about how do I correct that blending error now? Also, I want to make these like strokes a little longer. Kind of get rid of some of that red that's in there. And then I'll also do the green too. shoot. See how I got the green in there? Doggone it, that's why I wanted to go this way. Okay.
Can you tell I'm super concentrating because of this blending issue with this green and gold? Oh no, no. Let's go get the gold again. All right, here we go. I think just taking a little bit and putting it on there, it's working.
Okay. Well, I learned a lot.
I like it. I love it. It's going to look really cool on a big canvas too. Thanks for joining me today. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and liking it. And if you want more videos, here's some more. Bye.